Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jean, and this is Sheldon from the Grandview Heights Public Library. Just as a reminder, grab some paper and some crayons or markers and get ready to draw. We'll see you soon. Hi everybody, it's me, Sheldon from the Grandview Heights Public Library. I am so glad to see you today. Are you ready to draw? Draw, draw with me. Make it simple as can be. Drawing makes me happy, not sad. Drawing makes me feel good, not bad. Draw, draw with me. Make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry if it's not good enough for anyone else to see. Just draw with me. I am just so glad to see you all today. You know, I was talking to Miss Jean a few days ago, and I was telling her how much I love to hear birds singing in the morning when I wake up. And I thought birds would be great to draw today. Are you ready? Let's tell Miss Jean we're all set to draw. Okay, here we go. Miss Jean, we're ready. Hi, everybody. I'm so glad you're here today. Let me get set up here. I'm Miss Jean from the Grandview Heights Public Library. And are you ready to draw? I hope you have your paper and some crayons or markers and that you're all set. So let's get started. So Sheldon is going to help me today. And he is going to help me hold the paper on my easel, just like this. So, as Sheldon just told you, we're going to draw birds. So, let's see the first thing that we'll do. First, let's draw a circle about in the middle of our paper. It can be like that. It can be bigger or smaller. Remember, this is your drawing, so you can make it any way you want. And we'll draw another circle just like this. Good job. Now, we're going to draw a little triangle coming off of the little circle for the beak, and we're going to put a little eye just like that, and then we're going to add a little curved line on the bigger circle to make it look like a wing. Good job. Now when I see birds in the trees, usually they're sitting in a nest often, so I'm going to draw a big line just like this and another curved line just like that. Some other lines to look like a nest. Now, when you see a nest in the tree, you often see branches, leaves, all sorts of things to make the nest. So you can do that too in your drawing. Just little, you can even make leaves or little lines to make branches, just like that. That's great. And you know, this bird in this nest also has some little babies birds. So we're going to draw little baby birds just like that. And I'm going to draw another little baby bird up like this. And this baby bird is looking up at its mother because I bet it's hungry and ready to eat. So now that we have the nest and the bird, I'm going to draw, or I'm going to write at the top of my paper the word birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. And I'm also going to write the word nest on my paper. And you can do that too if you'd like. A nest is N-E-S-T. Good job. Now, since I have my nest and my birds, I'm going to draw a little branch underneath the nest that will support the nest, just like this. And usually branches are connected to trees, so I'm going to draw a big tree trunk on this side and that side. I'm going to add some other branches over here, just like this. And just like that. And on my tree trunk, I'm going to make it really have a lot of texture in it. Have you ever looked at a tree trunk? If you've looked outside and seen a tree trunk, you'll see it has lots of different textures to it. So you can add texture to your tree. And because it's springtime, I'm going to add some leaves that are just beginning to sprout. Can you see those? just beginning to come out since it's spring. That's great. And if you'd like, at the bottom of your picture, you can even add some grass, short grass or long grass, just like this, little short strokes going every which way, just like that. And even you could add, I love to draw clouds, so you could add clouds in the sky, just like that, and maybe one way up here, just like that. And look, you've already completed a picture. Let me see what you've drawn so far. Wow, you've done a great job. Would you like to see what Sheldon drew the other day? Okay. Here is Sheldon's picture. Now he colored his in, and look what he did. He colored in his tree with lots of different browns and textures in his tree trunk. And if you can see up close, you see the grass? He added different color greens. And look, he even drew a sun peeking out from the clouds right up there. And if you'll really look closely, can you see what's in the mother bird's mouth? Can you see? It's a little tiny worm, so the mother bird is going to feed the baby birds. And Sheldon was so clever, he even added 2 little musical notes. They're really tiny. Can you see them right there? To show that the bird was singing. Isn't that fun? Sheldon, you did a great job, and you should be very proud. So today, I hope you will remember to share your picture with someone, because you have a great story to tell. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me today. And remember to be sure to check out our links to great videos, songs, and ebooks. And don't forget to watch Miss Rachel tomorrow at 11 a.m. on Saturday. And remember, until next time, keep smiling and keep drawing. Bye-bye.